Health authorities and government officials have documented St. Lucia's quarantine capacity constraints. Returning nationals, illegal entrants, contact tracing occupants make up the bulk of individuals placed in state quarantine. On Friday, 27th November, 8 individuals were apprehended after allegedly attempting to gain illegal access into St. Lucia. A number of these individuals reportedly absconded from the facility. Now, Prime Minister Shasney says an alternative quarantine site specific to illegal entrants is under consideration.
We'll be improving the security. It should have been in place in the first instance, but I guess that they came in illegally. Then maybe they were a bit more motivated, and we're going to have to review the decision that when persons are found illegally coming into our territories, whether in fact that they should be put into a public facility like they were.
In the absence of custody suites, it remains unclear where exactly these illegal entrants will be placed for their mandatory 14-day quarantine. On the weekend of November 27th to 30th, the island recorded a total of 11 cases. 2 of the patients were non-nationals visiting St. Lucia, and the other cases were St. Lucians ranging in ages 4 to 51 years. Another 2 cases were registered as of the evening of Monday, November 30th, with the patients hailing from Babono and Choiseul. There are hopes that COVID-19 wardens who began training on Monday can aid in the enforcement of protocols to help flatten the epidemic curve.
Getting in these wardens or COVID officers, very anxious to see that happen, because we're clearly seeing that enforcement is required. I mean, I have to say to you that I feel very sorry for businesses that are adhering to the new protocols and it had affected their business, and to see similar businesses in breach of those same protocols.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sharon Belmar-George warned of a possible 1,000 new cases in the next 2 weeks if the masses continue to skirt protocols. With the Christmas holiday season underway, Prime Minister Shasney acknowledged that time is of the essence in getting the COVID-19 situation under control.
We need another 2 weeks of hardcore reducing interaction by people in order to ensure that we have the virus under control. We do have Christmas coming in, and we know that St. Lucians are going to want to socialize, particularly with families. And so we must make sure over the next 2 weeks that we do as good of a job as we can, and that all St. Lucians are appreciating and understand the necessity, the requirement to continue to practice the protocols that are being suggested by the CMO's office.
On Friday, Command Center officials rolled out slight modifications to COVID-19 protocols, which will be in place from December 1st to 14th, 2020. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.